A Chinese-built vocational institutions upgrade project in Ghana has been completed, injecting a new impetus to the development of vocational education in the West African country. The project includes the building of a new examination center for Ghana's Ministry of Education, as well as training centers for 15 vocational institutions. The project's Chinese contractor, the AVIC International Holding Corporation, began the construction in 2019 with funding support in the form of concessional loan from China. In the meantime, the company has provided 69 sets of modern training equipment for 23 vocational institutions. Local teachers and students in relevant majors, ranging from machinery processing, electrical work, welding, auto repair, to civil engineering, will benefit from the modern facilities.
I'm happy. I'm really happy, extra happy, because not all the universities are having such equipment and then facilities like this. But for KSTU, Kumasi Technical University, the government and the China and then the German group have come together and then build a facilities shop like this for us. Extremely happy.